Hey! Wale! Ndidibijelo! Chuka! Wale! Ndidibijelo! Jide. Hey! Wait you. Did you swallow an elephant?
Your mama there.
Eh?
Stop! You better know the kind of time you used to curse him. I'm in front of him. Ask Don't tell me you don't have etiquette.
Sorry, Mama.
Don't you have manners? Then as for you, the goods you ordered has landed. You're checking.
I know practically well that you are not an importer or an exporter. Eh? In fact, let me ask you, where is the goose?
You have eyes. Does it mean you can see? You are the importer. That's your goods.
Eh?
You are the importer, my son. You imported this baby. And that's the container.
Eh?
You are the driver. And let me tell you, they are here and here for good. Your goods, everything you ordered.
Biachuka, don't tell me you have suddenly gone blind not to notice that I'm carrying your child. You're going to be a father.
Hey!
Me?
Yes.
Be a father?
Don't you want to be a father?
Look at this one. Mama, do you know the meaning of O-G-E-Yo?
Meaning what?
Also, Ga, Eme, Ubua. I know you're not educated, Mama. You are illiterate.
Come back here.
Where is he going?
Don't worry, go enter your house. Baba begging. Baba. You will look where you
Hey, mind the way you talk to your father. Mom, don't you even try to patronize me because there is no way this cold-blooded murderer will be my father.
I have apologized. I said I am sorry, Electra. Besides, that was in the past.
Well, your past has come to ruin my present and my future. Your past is consuming my life. 3 men, 3 full-blooded men dead because of you. What were you thinking? What were you thinking? All these atrocities you committed has brought me into this. You're ruining my life.
Come back here, Electra. Where are you going?
Out!
Quest for wealth and power. Spill the blood of innocent. Whatever goes around must one day come around. Nothing is secret before God. Nothing is hidden before Him. Nothing is secret before God. Nothing is hidden before Him. Your past have come to fight your own blood. For blood speaks stronger than anything.
We really need to talk. Oh.
Talk about what?
It's all about Njide. It's all about Njideka. She has been giving me problem in this house. In fact, I'm suggesting, let her go back to her father's house. Maybe after paying her bride price and other marital rights, she can come back now.
So can one.
Huh?
So you want Njideka to go back to her father's house at this stage of her pregnancy?
Pregnancy is pregnancy. Whether it looks like Ode Hill or Mount Everest, pregnancy is pregnancy. And let me tell you, I'm not even sure that I'm the one that impregnated her. Because ofunyu kanyo.
Iyanyu burone. Ofunyu na mu say. Go and tell the Dibia that did this charm for you. That is not working. It's fake. You better go and collect your money. Njideka is going nowhere. She's going to be with us in this house and give birth to that baby in this house. I've said it.
Mama, see, let me tell you one thing. Mama, let me tell you one thing. I'm going to kill myself. I know that I'm not the one that impregnated her. Yes, I'm going to kill myself.
You want to kill yourself? Oh, you better kill yourself, my son. It's not a problem.
Should I stab it like this? But this place doesn't have a mouth too.
Oh.
Let me use it. Should I cut myself?
Oh, John.
Should I cut myself?
If you want to kill yourself, you go ahead and kill yourself. Huh? At least Njideka and her son, my grandson, will enjoy this vegetable soup that I'm preparing with Momo. Momo de Kuya.
Hey. Oh, this is you are doing. See, let me tell you. You and Njideka can't finish me in this house. You can't finish me. You can't finish me.
Momo de Kuya na the vegetable soup. Momo.
Quest for wealth and power. You spill the blood of innocent. Whatever goes around must one day come around. Nothing is secret before God. Nothing is hidden before Him. Nothing is secret before God. Nothing is hidden before Him. Your past have come to fight your own blood. For blood speaks stronger than
I can see you are losing sleep already.
My queen.
Now, how does it feel for your sins to come hunting back?
Can you please go to bed and sleep already?
Really?
I will join you soon.
Oh, I should go to bed. Sleep. Pretend like nothing is happening. Did you not notice that your daughter is not back yet?
What?
After all your shameful act, she left this palace in anger and yet to return.
Electra is not back yet? But why?
Now I'm going to say this to you. Should anything happen to my daughter, believe me, this palace will not contain you and I.
evil that men do runs after them, runs after them. The lessons of life. Men take life they never ever made, forgetting that God watches them. God is watching you. He's watching watching you. Oh,
mind how you live your life. He's watching.
He's watching you.
He's watching you.
Never stain your hands with innocent blood, nor live a secret life. It hurts a lot. Never be the problem. Your generation knows. Amend your way.
God is watching you.
Oh,
He's watching you. He's watching you. Mind how you live your life.
Be careful.
He's watching.
God is watching.
He's watching.
God is watching. Oh,
God is watching you.
He's watching.
He's watching you.
He's watching.
He's watching you.
Oh,
Mind how you live your life.
He's watching.
He's watching you.
My, evil that men do runs after them, the lessons of life. Men take life they never ever made.
My darling,
Forgetting that
you're welcome.
Thank you. I came as soon as you called.
Believe me, I'm grateful that you came. She has refused to come out from her room all day. In fact, she doesn't want to eat anything. She's just been moody.
My queen, please calm down. Let me go and talk to her.
It's all right, then let's go.
never stain your hands with innocent blood, nor live a secret life. It hurts a lot. Never be the
What is it? Yeah, greetings. You're crying. What happened?
It's the princess for a long time. She hasn't tasted anything, and I've been in her room since to give her this, but she's refused to answer me.
Electra. You know what? Don't worry. I want you to stop crying. I will take the food to her and I'll convince her to eat the food. Okay?
You sure?
I'm sure. But you have to promise me that you will stop crying, okay? Don't cry. Okay? Sure. Please help me with the door.
Who have I offended? Could it be a cause?
Oh, my darling. Your food.
I am so confused. Someone please talk
Electra,
to me.
you need to eat something, okay? Electra, why are you doing this to your family? Everybody's worried about you. Why am I doing this to my family, you asked? Girl, the real question is, why did my family do this to me? It's because of them I am in this mess. You know what? I don't even care. Electra, I want you to listen to me. They love you. Yeah, so much. Especially your mother, who has been worried sick about you.
My mother should worry about her husband who brought this calamity upon our family.
No, Electra. Stop. Your father might have disappointed you, but this time, family is paramount. You need to join hands with them to make sure that everything gets settled.
I am so confused. Someone please talk to me.
And if I refuse, You stand to be blamed for whatever that happens thereafter. Please, Electra. Okay. Okay, fine. You need to eat your food. Please, eat something. Okay? Please. Electra, eat something, please. I beg you, please. I don't like this mood. I don't.
Electra? Electra? How are you feeling?
Who cares to know?
Electra. Electra. Do not forget the fact that I am your father. And I deserve to be treated with respect, especially by you.
Well, I lost respect for you the day you threw caution to the winds and murdered those innocent children. What were you thinking? You thought that all those actions would go without consequences? I hate you! You hear me?
You can go ahead and hate me. But the fact remains that I am still your father, and we are both entangled in this together. Don't you understand?
I don't care. I do not care one bit. You did this. The consequence is on you. You bear the cross alone.
Electra. A stitching time saves 9. It is better that we put our hands together and do as instructed by Hokmana before it is too late. Think about it.
Your Majesty, time they say waits for no one. It's still counting. You need to talk to your daughter.
Princess Electra will never listen to anything I say. It is as difficult and as bad as that.
Try harder, Your Majesty. She will listen to you. I mean, we are all humans. We are prone to mistakes.
Oh no, you know that this is extremely difficult. You know it.
I know, but a trial will convince you.
Okay, oh no. Why don't you talk to her? I am sorry that I'm burdening you with my responsibility as a father. But I know why I am asking you to talk to her. I know what you can do. I know that you will just convince her with little or nothing. Please talk to her for me.
I will try my best.
Thank you.
That is preposterous. Why do I have to go through such a debasing ritual over something I didn't do? I made my point the first time, I wouldn't do it. I'm making my point the second time, I will not be part of it.
I understand you, my princess. I understand you very well. But your family has their hands full. The Black Moon does not care who is innocent or not, as long as the same blood runs through all of you.
That's very unfair. I mean, it's just nothing but bias. Why do I have to go? Why does this curse have to be on me while my father, the murderous culprit, walks away free? Why?
I understand your frustration, but time compels you to hurry up
because this is about your life and all your loved ones. Think about the consequences and the stigma on your family. Whatever your family is known for will be forgotten. There must be a reason the curse chose you.
But my father...
Your father loves and cares about you. I believe if it were possible to turn the hands of time, he will undo what is done. Who knows this time? The nightmare will be over and you'll be able to keep the next man who comes into your life. Think about it. Or is there any sacrifice for you to make this over?
You'll be fine. You will be.
I saw her in my dreams. I swear I keep seeing her.
I understand. Believe me, I do. Electra. I need you to do the needful. Yes. Because all of our lives depends on this.
Dad brought this upon us. He ought to be the one paying the price, not me. Shh. Not me. It's unfair that it has to be me.
All right. Please, calm down. Remember, the sins of the father is visited upon the children. And right now, all we need to do is to stick together as one family. Yes, my love. Come here. I will let you. Please just calm down. Calm down. Calm down, sweetheart. It's all right. It's all right. Come.
Agwaha ijakara agwaha. Agwaha ijakara agwaha. Ubanamu. Ubanamu ijemure. Ubanamu ijemure. Ubanamu ijemure. Ubanamu asohoku. Ubanamu asohed. Ubanamu asohoku. Ubanamu asohed. Ubanamu asohad. Ubanamu atohuta manuhin. Ubanamu enuhin. Matohuta. Ijerikwa. Ubanamu asohoku. Ubanamu enuhin. Ubanamu enuhin. Ubanamu asohoku. Ubanamu enuhin. Matohuta. Ijakara agwaha. Ijakara agwaha. Agwaha ijakara agwaha.
Oh God, break my leg.
Sorry.
Street, careful now. You want to eat? Is this how to massage?
Is he okay?
What is okay? Biachuka, you come and carry this pregnancy. Eh?
No. I haven't reached like that now.
Look, my leg has swollen up. Massage this leg very well. Massage my leg for me. Massage is well now. It's not like this.
Massaging it, yo. Massaging it.
Jesus! Ghost!
What is it? Are you okay? Hey! What's wrong with you? Come! Are you okay?
What is this? What happened? What's going on? I saw him! I thought he's ghost.
A ghost? What ghost are you talking about?
He has come back to haunt me! He has come back to
Calm down. I can't see anything.
Yeah, what is it? What is wrong? Hey! Are you okay? Can you talk to me? What is the problem? Why are you running? What is wrong with you people? Can you talk to me? Hey! Who is here? Hey! What is wrong?
What more proof do you need? I told you this girl was a bad news. You see? Electra will be your doom.
Listen, Harry. I don't pay attention to cheap gossips. When did you become so low that you're listening to cheap and lousy gossips from mere palace mates? Huh? Well, let me tell you. Read my lips. I will marry Electra and nothing will happen. No one will stop me. Did you hear what I said?
Marry. Wow. Wait. Why can't you see the handwriting on the wall? I mean, what is it about this girl? What? Can you please explain?
Love. Oh yes. Love, Henry. Have you ever been in love before? I mean, if you have been deeply in love, you wouldn't have been here talking to me this way.
Love. You think I've not been in love before? See, let me tell you something. This so-called love going on within you and Electra is not love. It's digging your grave with your bare hands. I said it. You're late.
Traffic, I'm sorry.
It's okay. I couldn't understand what you were trying to say to me on the phone. I would like to make yourself clear now, if you don't mind.
I stumbled on your pictures on a friend's phone.
My pictures? Okay.
Do you know Princess Electra?
Electra? Sorry, what is it all about? I don't understand.
She's a bad news. Very, very bad news. Yes, she killed my own elder brother, who was meant to marry her.
Killed your elder brother? I can't guess. I think it's get married around it. But if she killed your elder brother, like you said, why is she walking freely? As in, she's been partying, she's been living her life.
Because her father pulled all the strings to set that monster free. Listen to me real good. It's for your best interest. You need to stay away from Princess Electra if you don't want to die as my brother. Yes.
See, my head is still woozy over what you're trying to say, because how do I even know that you're not one of those haters, or you're just fighting for your own, you just want to be around my friend? See, they got engaged together before my friend was incarcerated, so what you're saying, it beats my imagination. I'm sorry.
Look, if you love your friend so much as you claim, tell him to stay away from her. Because the more closer he is to her, he's closer to his own grave.
Oh, really? Okay, this sounds too much for me to process right now. But anyway, thanks for the news. I have to get going now. Okay? Thank you so much.
Oh no, Your Majesty. I called you here to tell you that I have changed my mind about Okpana's order that Chukwuka, the son of Mbori, be brought to stay in the palace.
You have?
Oh yes, I have changed my mind.
You? But you vehemently opposed to the idea since Okpana gave instruction despite the grave danger he said faces you and your family if you fail to comply. So why this sudden change of mind, Your Highness?
Nothing.
What happened?
Oh no, I actually called you here to seek your opinion. I mean, how can I bring such a lousy clown, a lousy character to my palace, and then ignore all the questions that will naturally come from the Queen, Princess Electra, the palace staff, and even our people? How do I possibly do that?
Your Majesty, is there anything you are hiding from me?
Oh no. I called you here to seek your opinion and not for you to interrogate me.
I am sorry, Your Majesty. How about employing him as one of the palace guard?
Oh no, I think that is a great one. That is exactly what I am going to do. Thank you very much, Ono.
But during our subsequent visits to Okpana on the issue, he further instructed that Chukwuka must never be chastised by you or any member of your family, no matter what he does or says. And that he must not leave the palace in any way or anything happen to him. And the consequences of any of those is that you will die. Did you take all that into consideration?
Oh no, I have taken all of that into consideration. Do you see me as a man who will not do what is necessary to stay alive? So is that how you see me?
That girl, she's bad luck, man. You cannot marry her. I mean, what were you thinking? What are you doing?
How do you mean, bro? How do you mean? I love Electra and nothing will change about that.
This lady you claim your undying love for is a murderer. Sandra told me in close confidence that she killed her brother. And I was told that any man she comes in contact with dies mysteriously. Don't you remember?
No, I don't.
What do you mean you don't? See, I must warn you, or let me make it clear to you that a fly that refuses to listen follows a corpse to the grave. Why are you indirectly avoiding this topic? I don't know why.
Because it's irrelevant to how I feel about Electra.
Really?
Oh yes. We would have been perfect couple now if not for the break in transmission.
Oh, that break in transmission caused all those havoc that you're saying. She was the avenger of all those bad luck that happened to you. Have you forgotten that the police and the judge, they were all heavily paid to make sure your ass is baked? See, bro, I must not tell you that you should have been 6 feet below by now.
Finally, Your Majesty, there is good news. The court has passed judgment and we won our case against the people of Ongala. They have also ordered them to pay compensation for the damages caused to the people of Iruzu.
Oh no, this is wonderful.
Yes.
That is a great news.
Yes.
It means victory for our people.
Yes. Now our people will have peace they have always wanted. No more attacks on farmlands and homes close to the borderlands.
Very true. And all thanks to you, Onowu, and other members in council. And may the gods of our land continue to bless you. Meanwhile, I want you to instruct the town crier. Let him go around the kingdom and inform the people of this wonderful victory.
I will, Your Majesty.
Welcome. Onowu, that reminds me. The Iriji Festival Committee, they have not reported anything to the council about the upcoming New Yam Festival.
They plan doing that during the next meeting.
Oh, I think that is okay. That's fine. Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm so excited. At last.
Victory.
Yes.
There is nothing Henry may have said to you that I haven't heard before. In the same vein, there is nothing happening in my life that I have control over.
Sir.
One thing is for sure. For you to have come back to me means that you're the man for me. Yeah?
Let's forget about the past. The most important thing is that I love you. I really do. And I'm ready to stand by you wherever that comes. I am 100% with you.
I love you too. I really do. I love you. Come here.
Electra, come and sit. You're making me nervous.
Someone barged into my office today and accused me. Accused me of being responsible for Odera and Jude's death.
Come on, Electra. Don't take that to heart. People will always talk. Just look at the brighter side.
The brighter side is getting dimmed by the people that constantly throw the past to my face. It's almost as if I'm destined to be unhappy.
Oh, Electra, come off it. Why are you beating up yourself? I have told you, you are not marrying a pool of husbands, but Richard. Listen, brace yourself and face the world. People will always talk. Yes, they will. Just shake it off and move forward. Yeah. Just calm down, please.
I shook myself with the blood of my wife.
Please don't shout.
Huh?
Don't shout.
Mama!
What is happening?
Mama, come and see you.
Njideka.
Come and see Njideka.
Njideka, when did you give birth? Njideka, can you feel make you? Where's your pregnancy?
Mama, Njideka has given birth to Aqua.
Hey!
You are giving birth to a clot.
Njideka,
Mama, look at it. Look at it. Hey, what?
Njideka!
Hey, phone, Mama. No. Njideka has given birth to Aqua. To a clot. Have you seen it?
Asokwa.
Hey!
Njideka.
Mama, I was pregnant too. I just used it.
Shut up! Make sure you are pregnant. What? Hey! My girl. Entam girl.
Amen.
Hey! Muki ili mugu. Hey! Hey, wait. Njideka. Isn't it pregnant?
Yes.
Now you're pregnant. Let me see the pregnancy now. Njideka. Hey! No.
Mama, Njideka has missed our head into Soko Garden.
Hey! Njideka, you're from pit of hell.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Hey, Entam daughter.
Mama,
This guy should leave my compound. Leave my compound. Leave my compound.
Get out!
Oh yeah. Stupid girl.
Mama, I told you this thing.
Stupid girl.
I told you.
Yahoo. Pregnancy Yahoo. Money Yahoo. Everything Yahoo, Yahoo, Yahoo. Nonsense.
Who is that? What nonsense is that? Who is that? Oh my God, I forgot. Today's the big day. Indeed. Okay. Okay, see you soon.
Huh? Uncle. Hey.
Chuka, you've heard everything I told you. Your uncle here, he has done a lot. At least this is your second chance. All I want you to do is to make sure that you protect this job with everything in you.
Hey.
Make me proud.
Now, for this one you said is small thing. Eh? Because this time around, it's not all about ho ho ho. Are you hearing me? I'm going to the palace to win award for you. And to make you proud. I'm making number 1 in this community. Mama, I
don't know what award means, so but all I know is that I want you to go to that palace. Work very hard and make money. Make your late father proud of you. Wherever he is, I want him to be proud of his only child. That's it.
Welcome. Much cooker.
Mama, are you sure that you put the vegetable soup in the flask? Because I want the time I will reach the palace, let the soup sour, let the vegetable soup sour. Makanana malike undi baroka. Oba kona togo.
Chuka, mamu. How funny. I better go.
Because
Israel.
Let's go.
No. I'm missing you in advance.
I've already started missing my Chuka.
Oh.
Chuka, let's go. There's no time, I beg. Let's go.
Oh. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh, it is going to be well with you. What is this?
Just see for yourself.
Oh my God. What is the meaning of this? Chukuka! Chukuka! Who's calling me? Who's calling me? With a megaphone. What is the meaning of this madness?
This is on Igwe phone. Igwe, comport yourself now. Comport yourself.
Chukuka, how dare you? How
How dare you talk to me in that manner? Are you going to shut up? I'm talking and you're talking? What is the meaning of you sleeping in my living room with your legs on the throne? What is the meaning of that?
I'm guiding the throne now. I'm guiding the throne.
What? You are what? Guarding the throne while sleeping? And if I may ask, who are you protecting it from?
I'm protecting it from spiritual bandits that operate in a dream world. Yes! These people are very, very ruthless. Very, very bad people. Do you know what? These people, their job, they specialize in collecting testicles, stealing testicles. Yes! Do you know that they are targeting your own before you wake me up?
What? Chukwuka, how dare you?
I haven't finished you. Do you know their leaders? In fact, their leader's hand was an inch away from your body. In fact, for your own safety, for the safety of Odogu, I'm advising both of you. You should go back to your normal norms and allow me, Chukwuka, to go back to sleep, to continue protecting your body. In fact, Lolo, tell Igwe, people have to go back. Maka,
Enough of this madness. I've had enough of you. Now get out of it.
See, it's all good though. In fact, that's why we do it now. Before I go in the hands of the bandits. I said, get out. Get
out. Get out. What nonsense?
Allow me to do my thing. Allow me to sleep.
I said, get out before I do it. Get out. What nonsense?
If you allow me to sleep,
what nonsense? Can you imagine?
Your Highness, enough! I've had enough of this man in this palace. He just came in and he's acting this way. Now, if you allow this man to keep living with us, who knows? He might set the palace ablaze, and I will not condone it anymore. You have to do something.
My queen, it hasn't gotten to that. It hasn't gotten to this. Please come back. We can talk this over. My queen, please. Okay, there is something I'll tell you now. Please come. You don't have to run away like that. Come back here. Hey, will you stop? What in the name of God is happening here? What is going on here?
Igwe, I want to commit evil. Igwe, I want to commit abomination in this palace. Yes, Igwe.
My king. Oh, will you shut up? How dare you?
Thank you very much.
How dare you? How dare you talk back at him? Now listen, the next time you ever challenge his authority in this palace again, you will see the other side of it.
Igwe, thank you. Igwe, thank you. Igwe, no, slap this one.
That's the nuisance. And here you are taking out your anger on these ones.
Hey! Hold it there. I say hold it there. Remove your mouth from my matter. Because my matter is my matter. Or I will commit suicide by marrying you.
What did you just say?
Yes. All the 3 men that came to marry her all died. What is the difference between their death and suicide? Yes!
Princess, excuse me. Princess.